Assalamu alaikum. I'm Insha with my AI friend. AI friend? Many questions might pop up in your mind. AI, artificial intelligence, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I'm so happy to speak to you about a topic that's transforming our world. Artificial intelligence. The intelligence is artificial, but the impact is real. AI is once a concept confined to science fiction, is now a reality that touches almost every aspect of our lives. From the smartphones in our pocket to the smart assistants in our home. Do you notice this? We are experiencing AI daily through face recognition, Google Map, YouTube, Netflix, and more. In the case of education, it helps students learn better. Doctors use it to find diseases early and save lives. AI growing very fast and make the world faster, safer, and smarter. In the future, we will learn through smartphones, robot help in surgery and patient care, self-driving cars will reduce accidents, save lives. Future of artificial intelligence is a gift from Allah. As Muslims, we believe that all knowledge comes from Allah. Artificial intelligence is a gift from Allah, a boon from Allah for humans. So our responsibility is to use this gift for hire and never use for share. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.